Is that what cowboys do?
Did you say dandle?
Yeah, what is it? What is it?
Hey guys, welcome back. I feel like it's been so long since we vlogged on this channel. We did Vlogmas like crazy every single day, and now it feels weird to not vlog every day. So we're vlogging today. I'm just gonna do like what I'm doing today. I have a lot of stuff to get done. This morning was nice that I was able to get ready because Chris went into work late. The boys, mainly Carter, have been battling a little cold. Ella is stuffy, as per usual. So I'm kind of just letting the boys be bums today and just kind of relax. I want them to rest as much as possible because we have a trip coming up, which I need to pack for. I'm thawing out some chicken because we are making Home Chef tonight, and this vlog is sponsored by Home Chef. You know that I order food from them all the time, and I love using them because Chris and I are gluten-free. They have a ton of gluten-free options. They have 18 meals to choose from. It's super inexpensive. All you have to do is go to homechef.com. I'll have everything in the description box below. But if you use code TiffanyB30, you get 30% off of your first order. So make sure to check that out. Again, it's TiffanyB30 is my code, and I'll have it all linked in the description box. So tonight you'll see me cook later on. I'm gonna make a late dinner because Chris is home late tonight. But we're making chicken with a sherry cranberry sauce, and this looks amazing. I absolutely love acorn squash, so I've never cooked it this way though, so I'm really excited to try it that way. That's another thing that I really love about Home Chef is that like it teaches you new recipes and new ways to cook things. I usually just half my acorn squash in half and then bake it and put like cinnamon and brown sugar and butter in it, but this looks really good. I'm excited to try that. I should also probably mention that the reason that I'm thawing the chicken out is because I froze everything when Home Chef came because the kids were sick and I wasn't gonna be able to be like cooking a full-blown dinner. So that's why it's frozen. It usually comes fresh, just an FYI. So I gave the boys lunch. They are now down for a nap. You did it!
He's not eating it.
Eat it!
Yeah, eat it. Hey guys.
Avocado.
Avocado.
I'm just gonna kind of show you what all I'm doing today. I have a ton to do. I'm going to show you this mixture of stuff that we're all taking. We have like this electrolyte mix. We've been alternating Motrin and Tylenol with Carter. Chris and I have been taking this Airborne. And plus this is good anyway. If you're gonna be traveling anytime soon, to be taking Airborne before you're going on an airplane and things like that. And I actually found an immune booster for little sweet Ella, who is 4 months old. Yeah, I'm gonna have to suck her nose out and she's gonna hate me. Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit because I just fed you. And I don't want you to throw up, okay? Yeah, did that sound like an idea? Exactly. Tell them. Say, I don't want to have my nose sucked out. It's crazy all the milestones she's hitting, guys. You'll see in this vlog, but she has like her little saucer, a little saucer that she goes in and she like does so well in there. Okay, honey bunny. Even like just getting all of her toys, she's grabbing at our food, like all of it. She's not eating it, she's still exclusively breastfed, but yes. Let's show them what you're taking. I just gave it to her. I'm sure it's not a delightful taste. That's probably why she's a little frustrated as well. But this is it. It's like this Zarbee's baby. I'm not gonna give you any more, I promise. It's immune support and vitamin supplement. But you basically take it just like how we're taking like emergency and airborne and stuff like that. You don't take it every day. What? Little ruffle butt. I love you. So Ella's gonna play for a little bit so I can make some lunch for myself. Is that okay? Do you mind? No? Okay, we just switched over to my camera. I was using Chris's camera while mine was charging. I wonder if you guys can see like a difference in quality. What do you think, Sissy? I'm gonna go get my lunch. You have fun, okay? I hope most of you guys watch our family vlog channel as well. But if you don't, we did mention that like we had taken them over like Christmas break to 2 different play places in a row. We took them to like Altitude Jump Park, and the other one was, no, we took them to Sky Zone, not Altitude. And the other one was something pod, and it's basically like a kiddie place. There's all kinds of things you can play with, and I'm like, if we don't get our kids sick this weekend just being here, it'll be a miracle just because there's so many kids there. But I was giving them like, you know, all their vitamins and kept cleaning their hands, like doing everything right, but sometimes you just can't beat the germs. So I knew this was gonna happen. I wish it didn't happen right before we were gonna go away. But my friend Bree made a good point. She was like, if they're gonna get sick, it's gonna be on this airplane anyway. The things are gonna be like exposing them to. So I'm trying not to feel guilty. It's one of my New Year's resolutions is stop with the mom guilt. Stop it. Okay, just kidding. I had to nurse her to sleep. I'm turning. It's freezing in here. There we go. It's on 68. Is Chris trying to freeze us to death? I just turned it up to 71. But anyway, I'm gonna make my lunch now. Finally, it's 12:21, and then after lunch, I gotta have some coffee and chat. Stay tuned. My kind of weird salad. Every day, I've been trying to eat more fruits and veggies just as part of my resolution, just to be healthier. I'm not trying to lose weight or anything like that, but I just put whatever I feel like in. So garden mix I always do first, and then some kind of fruit. So this is mango, and then peanuts. I have been putting avocado in. They're not ripe yet though. And this is just like a string cheese. Pretty much just put anything you feel like in to the bowl. Some dressing. I put a little bit of Italian dressing on there just because I don't have any other dressing. It's not my first choice. But yeah, putting like extra random goodies in there makes me actually want to eat a salad. You guys know that I get on these kicks of like things that I like to eat and drink, and right now I have to show you my favorite coffee. It's my favorite so much that I haven't even gone to Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts since I've been making this, so that's saving us a lot of money. Also in the new year, budget, because we think we want to buy a new house. First step is make the coffee. Also, Ella is now awake playing on her playmat. Step 2 is this delicious creamer from Aldi. Make sure you check out my Aldi haul if you want to see everything else that I get from there, but yes, step 2. And then the best step of all. Oh my gosh, this is a game changer, guys. Cheers. So good. All the babies are awake. I'm gonna make them a smoothie. Tanner, what are you doing to Sissy, Tanner? Are you playing with her? Yeah, I love you, Sissy. Hey, gentle. She's just a little girl. She's gentle. Right, Sissy? What?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can play with her, just be gentle, okay? Okay, I can handle it, Mommy. I can hold my own. You can hold your own too? Aww. Aww.
Ow.
What? You hit head?
No.
You want me to kiss it?
Yeah.
Okay. Mwah. All better?
It's you.
What?
It's your head.
Your head, yeah.
Ow.
Aww.
I love
Did you say I love you? That was so nice, sweetheart. You're so sweet. You want to make a shake with Mommy? Hey, you want to make a shake with Mommy?
I know. Wow.
Oh no, look. Why do you get a sticker on your sticker chart?
Cause we good boy.
Because you've been a good boy?
Yeah.
I agree, you've been a good boy. Tanner, you want to put a sticker on your sticker chart? Kid's like, what's a sticker chart? You have one.
Here.
That is perfect. Only a couple more until we get to go to Chuck E. Cheese, right? You want to put one for Tanner? Thanks, Bubba.
Because why? Why?
Yeah, your sticker chart. Uh-huh.
Uh,
I legitimately took a like 10-minute phone call and the kids took every single toy from the living room out. Let me just give you a sneak peek. Is that even playing? Are you playing? Are you? Were you like making a nest over here? I don't understand. Like, what is going on? At least you're actually playing with your toys. No, you're not waking up your sister. Carter requested plain pasta and chicken noodle soup that I had made in the crock pot the other day. So let's see what they think of this. Are you feeding the dogs? Don't be feeding the dogs, mister. Carter requested a big bowl of soup now. And I'm happy because it's really good for you, right? It's super healthy. Makes you feel all better. Oh, okay. Tanner, how you doing over here, bubbies?
I'm down.
You like, what is that? What's that?
It's tight.
A carrot, yeah. Oh, sissy, it's okay.
Time.
Carrot. Mmm, took a bite. Everybody is clean and asleep. I have a lot to clean up downstairs. The kids trashed the place as you saw and refused to clean it up. And sometimes you just like give up. I know it sounds horrible, but I'm just like, okay, forget it. Just go in the bath and go to bed. So anyway, I have to clean up and make that home chef meal. I already pre-cut the acorn squash, so I pretty much just have to make the chicken and throw that in the oven. There's still about 15 minutes until Chris gets out of work, and then he has a little bit of a drive. So I'm watching Real Housewives of New Jersey. New Jersey represent. But I don't get to do this enough. So I'm just going to stay here and soak it up because seriously, I can't even believe how big she is already. Like, seriously. Look at this child. She was like just born yesterday and now she's like 5. No, she's not 5, but seriously, look how big. We're way too fast, and pretty soon she's going to get to that age where they don't like to snuggle and lay on your chest anymore. She's already like snuggling on your chest even less. She has to be severely milk drunk until she will sleep on you. So I'm just going to enjoy the snuggles because who cares about everything else in all honesty. Well, Chris is home from work.
What are you doing in these parts?
Oh my gosh.
Ma'am?
Do you think it'll look bad on me?
I think it'll look bad on anybody.
Ordered a hat from Amazon for our Nashville trip, and can I try it on? It just came downstairs, and it must have came.
Promise me you'll say there's a snake in my boots.
You can adjust the size.
Oh man, you look hot. That's not right.
I feel like Freddy Krueger. Why can't I be trendy?
I was gonna say more like Yogi Bear, but
Yogi Bear? Fine. I want to be trendy, but it just doesn't work on me. I don't get it. Maybe one day. Oh, he's snuggling Daddy, Ro-Ro.
gotta make a little time for this one too.
Meanwhile, Rookie's up here stealing the kids' toys.
He was just literally sitting here staring at me while I was cleaning up the toys because I hadn't even said hi to him.
Say hi to me. Oh, kisses.
Alright.
Look how delicious this looks. I'm so excited to eat, aren't you, honey?
I already took a bite.
Bad.
I couldn't wait for you anymore.
Is it good?
Very good.
But don't forget to check out Home Chef and use my link in the description box. And it's Tiffany B30 for 30% off. And I know you'll love them because it's like my 100th time ordering from them. And I've loved it every single time.
Alright, we're gonna go put out some forest fires and rescue some, I don't know, dandels in distress. Is that what cowboys do?
You say dandel?
Yeah, what is it? What is it? It's not a
Damsel.
Damsels.
I'm trying to hide the Oreos in my teeth. I didn't eat
Um,
Oreos because
I hope you guys had as good of a day as I did. I was at work all day. I did not have a good day. I missed my family.
you're right. That's like a vacation going to work.
My park ranger over here.
You said I look hot in this
You
hat.
do. You're a hot park ranger. Anything else? Any last words for the night? It's
How
so
about-
late. We just finished dinner at like, what time is it? Like 10:30?
Yeah, it's 10:30. Actually, 10:30.
Anyway.
I really do look like the bear that told you about forest fires, don't I?
Yeah, is that what I'm thinking is Yogi?
Smokey.
Smokey the bear. That's what I meant this whole time. Alright. Good night, everybody. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and like this video,
Subscribe.
and give it a thumbs up and like it.
Whenever your heart is broken.